Good morning children. Today first class mathematics. Yesterday we have finished term 2. Today we are starting the term 3. Already yesterday I said tomorrow we will discuss about term 3. In term 3 the first topic is time and money. Okay, everyone know time. Time means clock. Whatever we are doing basing on the time. Okay. Today we have to discuss about time. What is the time spelling children? Tell me. T-I-M-E, time. Okay. When we are wake up early in the morning, we are seeing the clock. What is the time now? At what o'clock we wake up like that. Okay. See, same like that, we are doing our all activities according to the time. Morning time means we are wake up and we are doing our daily works. And at 9 o'clock means we are coming to school. Okay. And afternoon 12 o'clock means we are doing our lunch. Like that. Evening 5 o'clock means we are going to home and again we are doing our works and we are drinking some milk like that. According to the time we are doing all our activities. Okay. For example, clock not available. We don't know what is the time now. We are thinking, what is the time now, what we have to do, what is our work, like that. We are thinking. Okay. So, our daily life is based on the time. Okay. In this time, we are having so many types. Some clocks having round shape, some clocks have maybe in square shape, like that, rectangle shape. Now, so many designs are there. Now, I am explaining first this round clock, circle. What is this shape, children? It is in round means it is known as circle. Okay. In this circle, we are writing the numbers from 1 to 12. Why? Because the clock have the numbers 1 to 12 on it. See, how we can write numbers? First middle of the circle we have to write down 12. That exact 12 opposite you have to write down 6. 12 half 6. Okay. Next, it is like standing line. Now like sleeping line. 12 to 6 middle we have to keep one dot. Then we have to mention 3. Exact 3 opposite 9. These 4 numbers middle. The remaining numbers we have to write down. It is the arrangement of numbers on the clock. 12 to 3 between which numbers are missing? 1, 2, 3 already is there. Next, 3 after 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Like this. Okay. The clock having 1 to 12 numbers inside. And it has 2 hands. The 2 hands we are keeping at the middle. Okay. One is small hand. Another one is long hand. Compared to small hand, it is some more big. So we have to say that long hand, short hand. Okay. First point, the clock having 1 to 12 numbers and it has 2 hands. It has 2 hands. The first one is short hand. Short hand is nothing but it shows the hours in the clock. Hours. It shows the hours. Or hours hand also you have to say. And the long hand. The long hand, it will show the seconds. It is known as second hand also. Seconds hand. Next, one more. That minutes hand also is there. Minutes hand. Okay, it shows the minutes. It shows the minutes. Okay. Now, same like this, we are having that square watches also. See, what is this shape, children? Four sides are equal, means it is known as square. In this square, we have, in this square also, we are, if we want to show the clock means we have to arrange the numbers up to 12. 1 to 12. Same like that, middle 12, 12 opposite 6. It is the arrangement of clock. We have to write down like this only. 12 this corner, 6 like this writing means it is wrong. Okay. And middle of 12 and 6 we have to write down 3. Here 9. Middle of these two, all 4 numbers, we have to show the represent the hands, that is short hand and long hand. 12 and 1 middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like this. Okay. It is also one type of clock. Okay, children. Now, here the short hand shows the hours. For example, here 4 shows the small hand shows it 4. And this small hand, it will, when it will come for 5 means the long hand completed one round from 12 to again 12. Then the small hand moves to 5. So, like that 4 to 5 small hand moving means we have to know that 1 hour completed. 4 completed time, the time present time is now 5. Means small hand should come at 5. Long hand is at 12. It is known as 5 o'clock. Okay. How we should write down 5 o'clock? 5, small dash, 0, CLOCK, 5 o'clock, R. You have to show 5, 2 small dots and 0. Like this also we have to show. It is a representation of time. Here, small hand is at 4. So you have to write down 4 o'clock. And one more type also you have to show, that is 4, 2 small dots, 0. Okay, it is the representation of time. For example, small hand is at 6, long hand is at 12. What is the time now, children? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. Okay, this one you have to read as 5 o'clock. And here 4 o'clock. See, in the numbers 1 to 2 middle we are having small lines, that is 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this one. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, each and every number middle we are having small lines 5. This lines is known as seconds. Okay. These lines represented that seconds. Okay, children. Small lines, if you want means take your clock, ask your parents and you have to observe. One number to another number small, we are having 5 lines that are known as minutes, seconds, okay, minutes, that one known as minutes. For example, minutes hand, one more third hand also there in some watches not there, not available, okay. For example, that minutes hand, here long hand shows minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, long hand shows minutes. And here one more hand is there, that is in red color some watches different colors also, that is seconds hand. It shows seconds. It shows seconds. Okay, it shows that seconds. For example, that second hands completed 1 number to 2 number means 5 seconds completed. 5 seconds like that. 1 second equal to, once we have to close our eyes and open. How much time it will take? That much little bit time is known as second. Okay. 1 second means if we close our eyes like that and open again like that. So 1 second completed. Okay. Like that, the seconds hands move from 1 number to second number means 5 seconds finished. Like that, it will take total complete round 12 to 12 means total 1 minute completed. So here 1 hour is equal to, first of all, 1 day. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, like this. See, for example, the long hand completed 1 to 2 means here 5 minutes completed. Okay, up to 2 completed 1 round means the long hand moving 1 to 2 means 5 minutes completed. Like that. These all are the basics about the clock. In these all in your textbook page number 52 and 53 also is there. If you want means read this all once. Okay. First everyone open your term 3 textbook page number 52. Okay. They given some, get started. Tick the correct column. They given activity. They given activity and they mention what it time. Morning, afternoon and night. See, here they did not mention the time, just they given the activities. That is first activity, going to school. When we are going to school? In the morning, afternoon, night. Morning means put tick mark in the morning column. Second one, watering plants. When we have to put water in the plants? Evening. Okay, that is they did not give an evening means we have to keep at morning. We should keep 2 times water, that is morning and evening. Here evening not there means I put tick mark on the morning only. Afternoon, midnight, midday we don't keep water to the plants and night also we don't keep water to the plants. Having dinner. When we are eating, having dinner means it is night. Seeing stars in the sky. When we have to see the stars? At night time only seeing the stars is possible. Daytime we are unable to see the stars. Okay. Having lunch. When we have to have our lunch? That is in the afternoon. It is first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. In your textbooks also in the given boxes you have to keep the tick mark. After that, next page number 53. They given The clock show what Mala does at different time of the day. Write the time in 2 ways. 2 ways means like this. 5 o'clock and 5-0. Gets up. She wake up. Everyone observe clocks in your textbooks. She wake up at what time? 6 o'clock. They given small hand is at 6, long hand is at 12. It is known as 6 o'clock. They given this one first. And goes to school. When the Mala goes to school, small hand is at 7, long hand is at 12. So we have to finish that here in the second dash. First 7 o'clock. And 7 2 dots and 0. It is 7 o'clock. Next, returns from school. Small hand, where is the small hand? See the number. Small hand is at 2, long hand is at 12. Next answer is 2 o'clock. It is in the first dash, in the second dash, 2 dots and 0. Like this. After, goes to play. At what time she wants to go to play with her friends? Where is the small hand? Observe. Small hand is at 4, long hand is at 12. It is known as 4 o'clock. 4 2 dots 0. Okay. Finish her studies. Finishes her studies. At what time? Where is the small hand? 8. Where is the long hand? 12. You have to write down 8 o'clock and 8. It is one way. And goes to bed when she has to sleep. Small hand is at 9, long hand is at 12. It is known as 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock and 9 2 dots 0. Okay children, like this we have to finish in this. So today your homework is complete in textbook page number 52 and 53. This is your homework. Once you open your textbook and finish this bit and this bit. This is your homework today. Thank you.